You know what's really messed up? It's because they told you that life insurance for when you die. What if I told you that there's no such thing as bad insurance? What if I told you that when a life insurance agent tell you that there's something that's a bad insurance and there's a good insurance and this is a better insurance, that's only a sales tactics? What if I told you that that was all done intentionally for them to make a commission and you to be sold? Now let me give you a full understanding about what life insurance is. My name is Coach Keon Corniff, and I'm a financial educator. I'm a business coach, and I'm also a motivational speaker. You see, what I do is that I provide financial workshops, business mentorship, and also financial services as well. The way life insurance works is dependent on how you structure it. If you're thinking about owning life insurance, you must think about planning for two events. You should be planning about if you die too soon, you must be planning if you live too long. And then your dime, when you calculate all your dime, it tells you how much insurance is needed. What I mean by this, the dime method is used to calculate how much insurance is needed to cover all your debts, your annual income multiplied by 10, the balance of your mortgage, and the educational planning for your children in the event that if you die too soon. But at the same time, if you live too long, you want to make sure that your money is able to get growth, safety, protection, and tax advantages. So if you're going to own a term insurance, term is preferably to cover all your dime because all those things are temporary events. A final expense insurance is something that is actually designed inside of a whole life product. A whole life produces what's known as final expense insurance, which is the only insurance that pays out within 48 hours upon you passing. When you start saving the difference inside of some form of indexed universal life insurance, that's give you the ability to get growth, safety, protection, and tax advantages at the same time. The reason why you want to save your money in life insurance is because it also gives you a lot of living benefits. It gives you protection against chronic, critical, or terminal illnesses where you have access to tax-free money at the time when you need it. So the next time you sit down with a life insurance agent and they tell you that this insurance is a bad insurance, just know that's a sell tactics that they're using to get you to buy from them and for you to remove your old policies. If you would love to get a review, all you gotta do is contact us and we'll be more than happy to sit down with you.